Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Add items to make this potion. In the brewing stand menu, you place ingredients in the top box and the potions are created in the bottom 3 boxes. To make a potion of fire resistance, 3 o'clock, you will need 1 water bottle, 1 nether wart, and 1 magma cream.
Let's help you make your mark.
Fireproof elixir is an item from The Legend of Zelda: Breath of the Wild. It is an elixir that Link can make by cooking either fireproof lizards or smotherwing butterfly with monster parts. Link can purchase it from Gale at the Foothill Stable near the Maw of Death Mountain or from Offrak in Goron City.
Let's help you make your mark.
Put a round remote bomb in the cannon, and hit the switch with your weapon. As the cannon moves, detonate the bomb when the cannon is pointed at the rock pile on the other platform. It's about halfway through the cannon's movement. Then paraglide back and talk to Yunobo. 1 June 2017.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.